everyone, welcome back to Cosmophil Therapy Age, and this reading is for our Scorpio friends. Scorpio dyan, thank you so much for tuning in, and I am inviting you to subscribe kung hindi po kayo nakakapag-subscribe. So, this reading is for the month of October regarding your career, finances, and love life. So, umpisa na po natin. Okay, so you have strength. And you have communication. So regarding your career, there is strength. Ayan. Maganda yung flow ng inyong career dun sa mga employed na. And meron ditong communication. So possible na there is a positive feedback that you will be receiving regarding your performance, and because of your outstanding performance sa company, finally mare-recognize ka na. And possible dito makuha mo yung reward na deserve mo, and there is a communication. So may dadating ditong letter or message coming from your coworkers, your boss, possible na sa workplace nyo, merong yung mga activity na parang i-review yung or i-rate, or parang yun tama, i-rate yung performance mo, bibigyan kanila ng feedback. So meron ka marireceive na sobrang gandang feedback dito. So, this is all about your outstanding performance. So, tingnan natin. Life's purpose. Ayan. Seek your deeper vision for life. So, feeling ko naman dito, Scorpio, ikaw ay nag-e-enjoy. Hindi ka lang, kumbaga basta money maker. Meron kang love, and parang binibigay mo yung best mo sa trabaho mo. So, passion mo ito. That's why you have this strength card. Tapos, ayan, may sword. Tapos, ayan, para bang kayang-kaya mong i-fulfill yung role kahit ano pa yung ipagawa sa'yo. So, lahat yon, Scorpio, ay worth it. This October, talagang makaka-receive ka dyan ng parang kung ano man yung award na deserve mo makuha, and yung reward. So, congratulations in advance, Scorpio. And for your finances, we have refinement. Wow. Parang pinong-pino yung iyong kaperahan. Maybe because of this parang development or stability sa iyong career, nagtuloy-tuloy din siya sa iyong finances. So, ayan, merong duality. So, nafe-feel ko dito, Scorpio, na yung iyong pinagkakakitaan or yung investment mo ay magdodoble pa. So, merong expansion, merong growth regarding your money. So, sa finances, ka naman, hindi lang siya stable, hindi lang siya na may maintain, but parang madodoble or lalago. So, meron din tayong, ayan, you are unique, be yourself, everyone else is taken. So, merong, nagsisimbolize din dito itong iyong career, kasi that's why you have strength, no? Tapos, talagang may recognition, and then because of this personality of yours, parang ikaw lang yung parang very unique ka sa inyong company, no? Parang siguro yung ibang Scorpio dyan, sinasabihin sa company nyo na you are really different sa ibang tao. So, parang meron kang quality, meron kang potential na hinahanap-hanap sa'yo ng boss mo, ng mga coworkers mo. Kaya parang feel nila na ibang-iba ka, na ang galing mo, na parang very flexible ka, kumbaga na hindi ka nila kailangang turuan. Parang you can do that kahit hindi ka nila sinasabihan, parang may kusa ka pa. So, yun yung tingin sa'yo ng boss mo and yung coworkers mo. So, because of that, ayan, magtutuloy-tuloy din yung iyong finances, wala namang magiging problema. Because, merong duality, so, magmumultiple pa yung iyong finances, no? So, possible din naman magkaroon ka ng bonus, magkaroon ka ng cash reward, bigyan kanila ng yung amount na more than you deserve or more than you worked for. So, ayan, merong bonus or parang may magbibigay sa'yo ng pera. Possible ito ay iyong amo kasi natuwa sila sa performance mo. And keep it up kasi you are very unique, sabi nga nila, no? And when it comes to your romantic relationship, tingnan natin. Meron tayong, ayan, self-indulgence, focus on self, ayan, self-appreciation. So, sa mga single, unahin niyo muna yung inyong career. Ayan, gumaganda yung inyong career kasi sobrang ginagalingan nyo kasi, Scorpio. Tapos merong camera, ayan. Merong nag-i-stock or kayo man yung nag-i-stock, no? Tapos merong hammer. Ayan, photograph sa camera. So, confirmed stalker. May nag-i-stock. Pero, Scorpio, focus muna sa sarili and sa career. Kasi, possible na ma-distract ka kung totoo man tong may nag-i-stock sa'yo, no? Ayan, may sabotage na mangyayari. So, be aware kung sino yung mga tao sa paligid mo na pwede kang isabotage kasi parang ang sikat mo kasi sa workplace nyo. So, meron talaga ditong pwedeng lumalapit lang sila sa'yo because of your achievement. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, anong message ni Guardian Angel? Tingnan natin. Creative project. Tapos, ayan, in creative ways, we're guiding you to infuse artistry and creativity into your life. Ayan nga, regarding your career pa rin to, Scorpio, talagang, ayan, strength, tapos may creative project. So, ituloy-tuloy mo raw yung iyong pagka-creative. Tapos, huwag mong pabayaan kung ano man yung na-build mo na name at kung ano yung parang naging impression sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Please continue your good deeds, kung ano man yan. Tapos, may child, ayan. Meron dito, kung meron kayong anak na sa iba, yung mga ibang Scorpio dyan, kung married na kayo and meron na kayong anak and then because of this, kung meron kayong anak, so possible na sa kanila nanggagaling yung inyong strength. So the universe is blessing you ng doble. That's why nagdo-double dito yung kasi double effort talaga kayo. So keep it up and talagang makukuha niyo yung inyong reward na deserve nyo. And meron tayong the ocean. So healing and soothing you. Even the act of imagining yourself dipping into its healing womb brings about desirable effects. Better yet, spend time physically near the ocean. Allow its power and beauty to wash away all cares and concerns. Ayan. Advice din dito ni Guardian Angel na you can visit the beach. Ayan, mag-unwind ka doon. And makaka-help siya to relax and para mas maging ka pa, mas ma-enhance mo pa yung iyong creativity. Para na rin dun sa mga haharapin mong mga mas maraming trabaho ngayong October. Okay, yun lang po, Scorpio. Thank you for watching. Good luck!